Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study statistics. Begin by building a strong foundation in core statistical concepts. Don't just memorize formulas. Truly understand the underlying principles and when to apply them. For example, differentiate between discrete and continuous data. This approach ensures you can adapt to various problem types, making your learning more robust and less about rote memorization. Once you have a grasp of the concepts, consistent practice is crucial. Solve a wide range of problems, from basic calculations to more complex data analysis. Try to apply what you learn to everyday situations. This makes abstract ideas more concrete. Don't shy away from challenging questions. They often highlight areas where your understanding needs strengthening. Visualizing data can significantly enhance your understanding. Use graphs and charts to see patterns and relationships that might be hidden in raw numbers. Additionally, teaching a concept to someone else is one of the best ways to confirm your own mastery. Collaborating with a study group allows for diverse perspectives and shared problem-solving strategies. Consistent review is essential for retaining statistical knowledge. Schedule regular sessions to revisit older topics and ensure they remain fresh. Leverage technology, like statistical software or online calculators, to verify your work and explore different data sets. This helps build confidence in your calculations. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.